Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing for this month, in the month of May. Here's my box. And yes, I looked at it already and I was able to finally make it all fit back in again. Well, almost. It still pops up a little, but something I'm really proud of. But of course, I forgot to put the card back in there, so it's out here. But whatever, we're just going to go with it. This month's theme is Boxy Bash. And this is what the card looks like, front and back. And we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already have some makeup on my face. So I'm not going to be trying anything on. It's just going to be a quick, this is what I received. You guys have probably already seen some of these videos, but I thought I would just give you guys my take on what I received. So let's get started. Alright, first thing in the box is from CoverFX. It is their blurring primer. This is what it looks like. I like the packaging. It's very nice. It's very nice. And this retails for $38, so it's a little on the more pricey side, but that's what a lot of these products in the box always tend to be. But yeah, alright. Lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Well, I'm very curious to see if this works. I probably won't try it right away because I have a couple primers that I'm trying to, use up, but yeah. Okay, so the next thing in the box is the Aesthetica P12 face brush. It just says synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. It's perfect for creating a seamless look. This is what it looks like. Let me get it out of the bag so that we can see how the brushes feel. And also give you a better look of what it looks like. Oh, it's double. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Oh, it has a smell to it. That's unusual. Okay, that's got a smell to it. The fibers feel fine. It feels soft. It's kind of, I don't know if it's on purpose supposed to have this little dent in there or if that's just packaging. But it definitely has a smell that I'm not liking. But that retails for $27. But I'm not quite sure how to use this brush. It doesn't really, it says face brush, so is it for powder? Is it for foundation? Is it for whatever I want it to be, like a blush, a highlighter? I don't know. I think I have a decent amount of brushes, so I probably won't be using this anytime soon, but I always appreciate having some brushes backed up just in case. Next on the list is another set of brushes. This is the, also from Aesthetica. Oh, I didn't realize that the first time. 3-piece eye trio. This has an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, which is always nice, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush, which works perfect for the other item that I have in here. This is what it looks like in the package. I'm just going to quickly see how they feel. Oh, these are also double bagged, which is nice. Oh, I got stuck. There we go. And shoom. Alright, this is what they look like outside of their packaging. It's got also the little Aesthetica label here. Oh, this feels nice. And these, I don't know. Let's take off the top. Or maybe not. Maybe not today. So we won't do that. And then the spoolie. It's nice that they have a spoolie because I don't have a spoolie, but I don't think that I'm going to use it too much right now because I actually purchased, I know it's not the same thing, but they say you can substitute the mascara ones, the disposable ones. I bought these a while back, so I tend to use these more for my mascara and stuff, but also kind of for brows. Actually, that's a lie, I take that back. I don't even use that for my brows because I have the brow stuff that has the spoolies in them. I don't even know what I said that. I'm sorry guys, I totally just lied there. And I take it back. Sorry guys, please forgive me. Alright, next up is the, I'm pretty sure this is a collaboration with Boxycharm because it says Boxycharm right here. But it is from Beauty Creations. It is the matte lip gloss. Oh, did I tell you how much these go for? $45. This is a very expensive 3-piece eye set. Very expensive. Wow. Yeah. I don't know if I would pay that much for 3 of them, to be honest. I don't know. That seems a little too excessive for what it is, in my personal opinion. Some people may have a different opinion. That's my own personal opinion. But this is what the Beauty Creations matte lip gloss looks like. It's supposed to be long wearing, and oh, this brand is cruelty free. And let me swatch with my disposable lip stuff in case I don't like it, and that way I'm not getting my lip beating everywhere. Oh, it's a very nice color. Ooh, don't throw that in the trash yet, Bree, because we don't have a trash bag. Oops. And this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty. I don't think it's too bad. Oh, I gotta hurry. My battery's running low. Alright. This goes for $10, so not super expensive. The last 2 items, and I'm gonna try and make them quick. This one's from Pretty Vulgar. It is the ink gel eyeliner, retails for $24. Love the packaging, think it's pretty cute. Don't know how about the accessibility of it because this is what it looks like in there, but I will try it out once I'm done with all my other eyeliners. And this one's for $24 if I hadn't mentioned it. And then last but not least, super quick, is from PUR. It is the Sculptor Palette, and it has 2 highlighters and 2 contour, and the plastic just fell. It's got a tiny little mirror. It's got the highlights on this side, the contouring on this side. This retails for $30, and my thought on this is I will not be using this. I don't really contour, and I've got plenty of highlights. But yeah guys, this is pretty much everything that I received in my box this month. There were some good points, there were some bad, not bad, but just things that I'm not really liking. But hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.